I talk about. Zinc.
Correct, again.
Did you know that zinc is present in every single one of your cells? Yes, every single cell in your body contains this essential mineral. It's not just a trace element, it's a vital component that plays a significant role in your overall health. That's right, this mighty mineral is like the VIP guest that gets invited to every party. Imagine throwing a grand celebration and having that one special guest who makes everything better. That's zinc for your body. It's involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, making it a crucial player in various bodily functions. These reactions are like tiny, intricate dances happening inside you, ensuring that everything from your metabolism to your DNA synthesis is on point. From boosting your immunity to helping you detoxify, zinc is one busy bee. It helps your immune cells function properly, making you more resilient against infections. And when it comes to detoxification, zinc assists in eliminating harmful substances from your body. Think of zinc as the behind-the-scenes stage manager of your body, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Just like a stage manager coordinates lights, sound, and actors to create a flawless performance, zinc coordinates various bodily functions to keep you in top shape. It's the silent partner in countless bodily processes, quietly doing its job to keep you healthy and vibrant. Whether you're meditating, exercising, or simply enjoying a balanced diet, zinc is there, supporting your well-being in ways you might not even realize. While often overlooked, zinc is truly an essential nutrient that deserves our attention. Foods like nuts, seeds, and shellfish are excellent sources of zinc, and if your diet falls short, supplements can help fill the gap. We're talking about a mineral that's as essential to your body as a good beat is to a hip-hop track. Just as a DJ keeps the music flowing and the crowd energized, zinc keeps your bodily functions in harmony. It's the rhythm that keeps everything in sync. Imagine a metronome ticking away, ensuring that every beat is perfectly timed. That's zinc, maintaining the rhythm of your body's processes. So, buckle up as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of zinc and discover why you need to make sure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Stay tuned to learn more about how zinc can enhance your health and well-being and the best ways to incorporate it into your daily routine.
Routine, routine, routine.
Let's talk detox, baby. Detoxification is a buzzword these days, but do we really understand what it means? It's not just about juice cleanses or trendy diets. Detoxification is a natural, ongoing process that our bodies perform every single day. We're bombarded with toxins every day, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Think about the pollution in our cities, the chemicals in our food, and even the products we use on our skin. All these elements introduce toxins into our bodies. Our bodies have this amazing built-in detox system. And guess what? Zinc is a key player in this intricate process. Zinc is an essential mineral that supports various bodily functions, but its role in detoxification is often overlooked. One of zinc's superpowers is its ability to activate enzymes that neutralize harmful toxins. These enzymes are like specialized tools that break down and eliminate toxins, ensuring they don't accumulate and cause harm. These enzymes act like tiny warriors, fighting off the bad guys and escorting them out of your system. Imagine a microscopic battle happening inside you, with zinc-activated enzymes leading the charge against invaders. Without enough zinc, these detox pathways become sluggish, and the toxins start to pile up like dirty laundry. Just as a cluttered room can make you feel overwhelmed, a buildup of toxins can leave you feeling fatigued and unwell. Ever feel like your body is running on fumes? That could be a sign your detox system is overwhelmed. When your body can't keep up with the detox demand, you might experience symptoms like tiredness, brain fog, and even skin issues. Zinc is like a trusty mechanic, keeping your internal engine clean and running smoothly. Just as a mechanic ensures your car runs efficiently, zinc helps maintain the efficiency of your body's detox process. It's the unsung hero of detoxification, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you healthy and vibrant. By supporting your body's natural detox pathways, zinc helps you feel more energetic, clear-headed, and ready to take on the world. So next time you think about detox, remember the crucial role zinc plays in keeping you at your best.
At my best.
Now let's get real for a minute. Zinc deficiency is more common than you might think, and it can wreak havoc on your health. The thing is, it's often silent and sneaky, creeping up on you with subtle symptoms that are easy to miss. Think about it, feeling tired all the time, catching every cold that goes around, hair loss, slow wound healing. These could all be signs your body is crying out for more zinc. Don't sleep on these symptoms, folks. It's like your body is trying to send you a smoke signal, but you're too busy scrolling through your phone to notice. Ignoring these signs can lead to more serious health problems down the line. So pay attention, listen to your body, and don't underestimate the power of zinc. Section 4, Expert Opinion. Zinc, a nutritional powerhouse. Don't just take my word for it, the experts are singing zinc's praises too. Zinc is not just another mineral, it's a cornerstone of good health. From the bustling corridors of hospitals to the quiet research labs, professionals are increasingly recognizing its significance. Dr. X, a leading researcher in nutritional immunology, states that zinc is an essential mineral that plays a critical role in supporting a healthy immune system, promoting wound healing, and protecting against oxidative stress. According to Dr. X, without adequate zinc, our bodies would struggle to fend off infections and heal properly. Zinc's role in protecting against oxidative stress is particularly noteworthy. Oxidative stress can lead to chronic inflammation and various diseases, but zinc helps to neutralize these harmful effects. And it's not just Dr. X. The consensus among health professionals is clear. Experts across the board agree that zinc is a nutritional powerhouse. Its benefits extend beyond just the immune system. Dr. Y, a renowned dermatologist, highlights the importance of zinc for healthy skin, hair, and nails. He emphasizes that zinc is a key player in maintaining the integrity and appearance of our skin. Healthy skin, hair, and nails are often indicators of overall well-being, and zinc is crucial in keeping them in top condition. He explains that zinc deficiency can manifest in various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and hair loss. These conditions can significantly impact one's quality of life, but they are often preventable with adequate zinc intake. Acne, eczema, and hair loss are just a few of the visible signs of zinc deficiency. Addressing this deficiency can lead to noticeable improvements in skin health. So you see, the scientific community is buzzing about the amazing benefits of zinc. Researchers are continually uncovering new ways in which zinc supports our health. This little mineral packs a powerful punch and plays a vital role in maintaining overall health and well-being. From boosting our immune defenses to ensuring our skin glows, zinc is indispensable. Including zinc-rich foods in your diet or considering supplements can be a game changer for your health.
I was working on a weapon that would have been a game changer.
Section 5, Zinc and Immunity, your body's first line of defense. Let's talk about immunity, that invisible shield that protects us from all sorts of nasty bugs and viruses. Well, guess what? Zinc is like the captain of your immune system, leading the charge against those microscopic invaders. Here's the deal. Zinc helps your body produce and activate white blood cells, those brave soldiers that fight off infections. It's like giving your immune system an extra shot of espresso, keeping it alert and ready for action. Think of zinc as the drill sergeant of your immune system, whipping those white blood cells into shape and preparing them for battle. With enough zinc on board, your immune system will be ready to tackle whatever life throws your way.
And I'm ready for war.
Section 6, Zinc and Detoxification, flushing out the toxins. Now let's circle back to detoxification. Remember those toxin-busting enzymes we talked about earlier? Well, zinc is essential for their production and function. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring all the instruments are in tune and playing in harmony. Zinc helps your liver, your body's primary detoxification organ, function at its best. It supports the production of metallothionein, a protein that binds to heavy metals and escorts them out of the body. Think of zinc as the ultimate cleaning crew, scrubbing away those harmful toxins and leaving your body feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It's the secret weapon for a cleaner, healthier you.
Oh, I'm clean!